In the quiet, cozy town of Blairstown, tucked between sunflower fields and babbling brooks, lived an extraordinary girl named Blair. She had wild, curly hair that bounced when she ran, a laugh that sounded like bells, and a brain bursting with ideas. While other kids played soccer or video games, Blair spent her afternoons inventing rocket boosters from cereal boxes, drawing star maps with glitter pens, and pretending her treehouse was a space station orbiting Saturn. Everyone in Blairstown called her Captain Blair. Blair had two big dreams: glowing star to go to space, glowing star, and to help others however she could. One clear, starry night, Blair was lying on her backyard blanket, staring through her telescope at the twinkling sky. Maybe one day, she whispered, I'll go beyond those stars. Suddenly, a strange humming filled the air. The wind swirled in circles, the telescope wobbled, and with a glowing flash of green and gold, boom! A glittering spaceship shaped like a giant teacup landed right in her yard. The hatch opened with a hiss of smoke, and out stepped a tiny alien with green skin, 3 googly eyes, and a shiny purple jumpsuit. He looked around, spotted Blair, and gasped. "You're Blair," he squeaked. "The smartest problem solver in all of Blairstown." Blair blinked. Why yes. I guess I am." "I'm Zog from Planet Popcorn," he said, bouncing nervously. "My spaceship's navigation system has gone completely bonkers. The engine's working, but we're lost in the stars. Will you come with me and help?" Blair's heart thudded. Her toes tingled. Was this a dream? She looked at her telescope, then at Zog, and grinned. "Captain Blair reporting for duty." Inside the spaceship, everything sparkled and beeped. Buttons glowed rainbow colors, the walls were covered in swirling stars, and a purple couch floated in midair. Zog buckled her in and shouted, "Ready?" "Ready." "Blast off." Whoosh. They soared through the clouds, up past aeroplanes and hot air balloons, until Earth was just a beautiful blue marble below. Stars danced outside the windows as they zipped past Saturn's rings and a comet that smelled like cupcakes. But when they reached Planet Popcorn, shaped like a buttery balloon, the trouble began. The spaceship suddenly spun in circles. "Ah!" Zog. "What's happening?" Blair shouted. The screen flashed in red letters, "Police car light error 42, cosmic coordinates corrupted." Police car light. "We're stuck!" Zog cried. "We can't steer, we can't land, and we'll never get home." Blair took a deep breath and sat up straight. "Okay. First life skill, problem solving. Let's think it through." She scanned the control panel and spotted the star chart input. "Zog, do you have a star chart book?" "I think so." He zoomed to a cupboard, pulled out a dusty, crumpled book, and a sandwich. "Focus, Zog," Blair said, giggling. Together, they opened the book. Page by page, they searched for the constellations outside the window: Shooting Star, the giggling giraffe; Milky Way, the donut nebula; Ringed Planet, and the upside-down octopus. Blair pointed to the stars. "If we align these 3, we can triangulate our current location." Zog blinked. "Wow, you are smart." Blair tapped buttons. Beep. Boop. Zap. "Okay," she said. "I'll re-enter the new coordinates, but I'll need your help. This will take teamwork." Zog saluted. Captain Blair and Lieutenant Zog, together. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!